How to fix Grindr registration error. Now you could be facing registration error on Grindr due to multiple reasons. Some of it could be due to incorrect credentials. As in when you open the Grindr app, you might have been trying to enter the information here. Well, this isn't the case. In order to create an account and register, you have to look for the sign up button from the top right, then tap on the sign up option right there. Tap on the next option, agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on next and also agree to the terms and conditions. In order to avoid any type of registration issues, you have to make sure to enter your date of birth carefully, which is going to verify your age, because if you're not over 18 years of age, then Grindr will not let you sign up. So this is one step you have to consider, and tap the next option. After that, you have to simply choose an email address for yourself. Once you choose an email address, you can choose a password and retype that password, agree to the terms and conditions, and tap on create account. Now if you're having issues during this, the alternative method is also to basically sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account, and once you've selected those, you should most likely be able to register on Grindr. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.